新柔地铁系统的铁道系统工程目前已经完成一半，负责运营新柔地铁的
RTS operations
由新加坡公共交通业者 SMRT 和马来西亚国家基础建设公司合资成立。2024年9月接手车厂，开始铺设轨道。新柔地铁的轨道系统始于柔佛瓦迪哈那车厂，衔接柔佛新山5级查卡车站和新加坡汤申东海岸地铁线兀兰北站，横跨约5.3公里。目前车厂轨道工程进展超过65%，预计2025年7月完工。接下来，团队会分阶段在车厂、2个车站、高架桥和隧道进行系统安装工程，随后的系统测试和调试工作则会持续至2026年第3季左右，再展开试运行。新柔地铁计划最迟2025年12月底通车，乘客到时可从兀兰北站搭乘地铁直达5级查卡站，2站之间的车程约5分钟，每小时单向可接载1万人次。
The RTS Link project marks a significant milestone in our ongoing effort to enhance the regional connectivity. As the operator of RTS Link, our focus at this time is to ensure the operational readiness is successful, and also our project will be completed on time. This is to ensure a reliable transport service over the causeways to reduce all the congestion and also strengthen the cross-border connectivities between both Singapore and Malaysia.
We are pleased to report that the system implementation phase of the RTS Link comprising of seconded personnel from both Prasarana Malaysia and SMRT is working tirelessly to ensure the timely completion of this strategic bilateral